Buddy, oh buddy. Oh buddy, oh buddy. Oh, look at the bedhead this morning. Actually, not that bad. But can't leave the house like this. I mean. Alright, so all you curly-headed freaks like me, I've got another hot tip for you.
That's hot.
Honestly, the first video, which if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna go watch it. It helped way more people than I thought it would, which is kind of, I don't know, kind of fucking exciting. I'm no beauty vlogger, but shit, I just might become one.
Oh boy.
But I'm coming to you with one more curly hair tip that I think people would like to know. Because here's the thing. What happens if you feel like, I don't know, classing it up a little bit? If you're going to maybe a formal event, if you're going to something nice. Here's the thing. I always wanted to do like a nice, like slicked look. It's tough to do a slicked look with this kind of hair. However, I have figured out a trick, and the trick doesn't involve a blow dryer or a comb or any of that nonsense. Literally just, again, where is it? That's it, just my boy Harry.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Here's the thing though, but there is a specific technique that makes it look good. I always thought if you were gonna do a slick look with curly hair, you only had a couple options, right? You know, when you get out of the shower, you gotta like take the towel and dry it like this, and then put pomade or something strong in there. But no, it always looks like shit. Using the blow dryer and like trying to, it's just too much work. Personally, I'm not
doing the blow dryer.
It's just too much for me. But there is a trick, and I've got that trick. There's an actual technique that I'm gonna share with you that actually helps your hair look pretty damn good. So step one is always wet the damn hair. So let's do that. Okay, now that that's out of the way. Okay, so if you learned anything from my first video, a lot of people with curly hair will say don't use a normal towel. Again, I don't agree with that. You just can't be aggressive. For the record, you shouldn't be aggressive with anything in life, right? Does anyone like when you're aggressive? No. Your dog, your wife, your kids, your coworkers, fuck. No one fucking likes when, including your hair. Regardless, so you just dab gently, just light. Look at that. Okay, great. Now, normally, right? This would be the time when you use a comb and you comb it. No, ditch the fucking. Holy shit. Jesus Christ, everything's okay. But ditch the fucking comb. You don't need the comb. Actually, the first step is the same as the other hairstyle. Take your pomade, set about that much. You can go a little crazier this time because the whole point of a slick look is, you know, it's a little polished. It's a little fancy. Step one is not to take it, go back, no. Step one is the same thing that we did for your like casual everyday hairstyle. You just go like this. Get it all in there. Do that same bullshit that everyone tells you in all the other videos with the leave-in conditioners and the fucking curl creams, none of which work for me. Excellent. Look at this. Actually, it's a pretty good hair day if I wanted to keep it like this. But we're not. Because I care about you people.
What do you mean, you people?
What do you mean, you people?
Because I care about you, and I care about what you look like. Mainly I care about what I look like, but this is good for all of us, okay? I'm a vain Italian. I can't help it. Again, just like the other video, you kind of just go on with your morning routine a little bit, just kind of keep it rolling. Let the hair dry a little bit. You don't have to let it dry as much as you did last time. For those of you that saw my last video, not falling for this fucking thing again. Ha!
Bastard.
Now here's where things get important. Before I actually show you the technique to slick it, I would put a shirt on first. I'd put whatever shirt you're gonna wear, put it on first. Because God knows, taking off your shirt, putting on a different shirt with the curly, it's not conducive to what we're doing here. So, okay. Now that I got my shirt on. So now here's where the trick comes in. So now that your hair is kind of dried a little bit, at least like this, go back in. This time, a little more pomade, right? Than your normal hairstyle, right? You normally go back in with just like that's even too much. Like that much to just scrunch it back in. Since we're doing the slick here, always rub the pomade in. That's very important. Like it should be all over your hands, okay? Don't fuck this up. No comb needed, okay? Just give your hair a little like flick and start at the top Just go like this. Wait, it's already working. Here's the trick. Okay, if you get out of the shower and you immediately just slick your hair, or you use the towel to slick it back, or even a comb, your hair's not gonna, the volume's gone. So you look like a crazy person. I promise, you look like a fucking crazy person. Listen, you trusted me last time, trust me this time. And the thing is you wanna focus on the sides the most. Sides are, but it's okay if it's a little crazy. Like, that's what I'm saying. That's the beautiful thing about the curly hair. Pretty much that's it. So you see there are still stragglers, right? But like, I personally like the stragglers. I think that it makes, I don't know, I think it makes the hair look good. So now I look like I could put a collared shirt on, I could go to somewhere fancy that I have nowhere to go. But if I had somewhere fancy to go, this is what I do. Listen, us curly-headed people, we're never, unless we chemically straighten, which I've done a couple times, and I don't suggest. Unless, you know, we do some drastic, like, blow dry session, chemical straighten, whatever witchcraft you try to do to your head, it's not gonna wanna cooperate either way. So you gotta just kinda let the curls just do their thing. Like, I don't mind that it looks like a messy slick. In fact, that's what I like about it. But if you let it down first and kinda let the curls do their thing, that's the trick. You put it in there, you let them be curly, and then you push them back. No blow dryer, no comb, just our pomade. Again, matte finish. Always get the matte finish. Always. Hopefully this helps more people again. If not, whatever, I'll just go fuck myself. But regardless, this has been fun. We should do this again sometime. Let me know in the comments if this works. Or don't. Whatever, you know, whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do. Just go feel good about yourself. All right. Godspeed.